Who is this girl? Who is this girl who is liking ankle jeans? Yes, I am loving these jeans, distressing and all. Let me show you the whole outfit and then I'll show you the rest, kind of break it down for you. I don't know why my hands are always touching my bum when I turn around. I think I'm gonna kind of show you where the pockets are, but if you want to see where the pockets are, you can pause the video. So I don't know. Anyways, all right, let's talk about this outfit. This white tee is very nice. It is by Chaser. It comes in 3 different colors. I'm wearing a size small. My price is $54.40. So thank you so much to whoever used my referral code, because I received 20% off and you received 20% off anything from that box. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me just tell you, this is a shocker. Okay, the top is so pretty. It is so soft. It has like a hem here. It's stitched in. It looks like it would be loose, but it's not. I like the neckline because it's not real high. It is so soft. And I'll show you the length after I show you the jeans. This little belt is mine. I don't really have much to choose from. The jeans are actually cut from the cloth. They are the Reese ankle straight leg. I am wearing a size 6, so they must run big. They are not high-waisted. As you can tell, there's distressing on them in the back and in the front, a little bit on the knee, but it doesn't go through the frayed hem. I am loving these jeans. My only concern is that they're not high-waisted. So, but they feel amazing. Let me show you the shirt out. It's a nice size. Oh, and the arm is good. Look at that. It fits. The jeans fit, the shirt fits. How cute is this? Put a jacket on, change your shoes. You know I'm a high heel girl, and then you're ready to go. You get that phone call from your friends, from your hubby, from your significant other. Change out. Here we go. Another look at the jeans, and look at this top. This is so cute. It is by John and Jen. It is the Ava Tank. I'm wearing a size small. My price, thanks to the discount, of $70.40. It is more of a knit. I forgot to tell you, the jeans are my price $71.20. The retail prices are 20% more. Again, thank you to whoever used my referral link. I really, really appreciate it. This is really cute. Okay, I am not turning around because it has a low back, and I will try to insert a photo to show you the back of it, because I've had some spots removed on my back, and it's not a pretty size, so it's still healing. But this is really cute. It's like a knit. It comes in 3 different colors. It's really nice. Also, I like the V-neck on it. Goes great with the jeans. And again, you put your jacket on and you have a cute outfit and you are ready to go out. And now we have some short shorts, which are short for this girl. I know it's not for a lot of you guys. These are a little shorter for my comfort, but this is so adorable. Look how cute this outfit is. This is so cute. I feel a little dressed up. I feel actually stylish from not having like just a regular t-shirt on, that I have this really cute linen top. This is by Cloth & Stone. It is the Smocked linen top. My price is $62.40, ouch. And I am wearing a size small, but it is so cute. Even the neck isn't that tight, but I'll show you. I didn't button it in the back and you'll see why. It has the cute little slits on the side. They're not too high, so you know, you won't see the potato chip patch there. So I think it's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. It's nice and breezy. I don't know. I really like it. I like high necks, not usually in the summer, but the smocking on this is so nice. The color is, I don't know what they call this, but it's like this is like a green color, like, yeah, it's like a green, like a greenish with a little teeny tiny blue in it, but wait till you see the back. And like I said, I did not button the top 2 buttons, but look at that. Look at the button detail. That is so cute. I only needed to unbutton 2 of them to get it over my head, but honestly, I might be able to put it over my head with only 1 button or not buttoning them at all. The arm is okay. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. I would wear this, definitely wear this. So I don't know, I feel kind of cute in this. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. The shorts are by, is it called AGOLDE? AGOLDE? I don't know how to pronounce that. They're the Parker long short with the cuff. I am wearing a size 29 and they're my price, wait for it, $118.40. Yikes. They don't fit right. So they're definitely going to be a no. They are a button fly. Here's the back with the pockets. It is high-waisted. They're really, really cute. A little too short for me. I'd rather wear them turned down, but I don't like them turned down. This is more of a length that I'm comfortable with, but I don't like them like this. I'm not crazy about the flared out here, but as you can see, it does have the unfinished hem. They are so cute. Not for $118. No, they're not that cute. The waist is kind of big. I feel like I've got too much material here. The back, the waistband is big. I mean, if I were to keep these, but I'm not for $118, I would size down in them. Maybe they just run big. Isn't this a cute outfit? I love this outfit. How cute is this blouse? It dresses up the jeans. It is adorable. I front tucked it. It's like a pinkish purple color. And the buttons are working buttons, but I have to tell you, this top button, I thought I needed to undo it to get it over my head. And it was tight, but I got it over my head, but I could not get that unbuttoned, but I can see it should unbutton. I am wearing a size small. This is by CLEOBELLA. Never heard of them. This is called the Jess blouse, Jess blouse. It has elastic around the arms, which is nice. The buttons are all working. If it pulled, you can kind of see my bra a little bit through it down here, but you know, who's gonna notice that? Who cares? It's got the cute ruffles on it right here. So cute. Is this cute or what? This is such a cute outfit. Okay, here is the full length. It's got the little slits. And I have to tell you, I am not looking at the care instructions because if I love something, I will work it out as long as the pricing and everything is right. How cute is this for summer? I really like this also, but there is a but. This one is $118.40, my discounted price. And I started looking, I'm like, wait a minute, that's the jeans. Did I mess something up? That's the shorts. Nope, I got it right. $118.40. Okay, love the style, but not the price. And for the price, it's not for me. I'll just hold out hope. I will just kind of keep waiting for the right items, for the right price. I mean, I'd probably pay $68 for this top. It's so cute. Elevate your style, elevate your casual style. Okay, I am loving this. What do you guys think? Did I find a dress that fits? Look at how cute this dress is. Oh my gosh, it's got the slit on the side. You just pull it on over your head. I am wearing a size medium. I love the ruffles on this, like the neckline because it's a little bit lower. This is so darn cute. Okay, let me show it to you some more. How cute is this? I can wear it with my gym shoes, my tennis shoes. I could put on a pair of sandals. I could put some heels on, put a jacket on. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, the price? $55.20 is my price, but I love it. It's great. It's a great, easy to wear dress, except there's always a but. Why me? Is it only me? Look at the arm. How attractive is that going to be when I'm standing and talking? You know me. I always put my hand on my hips. I always have. So that's not a good look. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Excuse the brawl. Yeah. Okay, you guys, tell me the truth. Is it just me that has fit issues, or is no one else showing it? Because I feel like with these boxes, no one else has fit issues except me. So what's going on? Oh boy, I can't size down to a small. It would just, it would not fit these hips. Is that the problem? What's the problem? I want to keep this dress. I really want to keep this dress. I mean, I could wear, it doesn't matter what you wear, even though if it hides it, you're still going to see it. I could probably have a panel. That's what they're missing. They're missing panels in these dresses. Do I try to deal with it? Oh, that is so disappointing. All right, you guys let me know. And let me know, I mean, what do you think this color? This color is called Honey. I love the length on it. I don't know. This is such a bummer. We were doing so well. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm supposed to have these white jeans on. Oh goodness, they are a button fly. They are by that AGOLDE or however you say that. They are a size 29, I believe. Yes. And they didn't fit. They are way too tight in the legs of all things. These are the Riley high rise. And that's all the description I have. And I was really hopeful for these, but the legs are so tight. They don't look that tight, do they? I thought I would be able to get them buttoned. It's an odd fit. Here we go again. Oh goodness, I need to get in shape so I can get some clothes that fit me. So these are actually, good thing they don't fit. My price, $142.40. Yeah, that's not happening. Okay, look at the cute top. How cute is this? This is called the Sun Tee, obviously. And it's by Sundry, and it's $62.40 for a t-shirt. $62.40. It is really soft. It seems kind of big. It's a size small. Look at how loose and that it is. Let me show you the length. It's very loose. It feels big. I'm used to wearing t-shirts, that hug your body, that fit you like that. That I could see. But this, do I just have an odd one, or is that how they all fit? Look how loose that is. For $62.40, it feels amazing. So I don't know. I mean, I like it, but do I like it for $62.40? No. I would love it if it fit like this, like my other tees. Then I would probably consider keeping it. I don't know though, $62.40, that's crazy. That's it. That is actually, it's not a normal Trendsend box because I know you guys have just saw a Trendsend box. I requested their VACAY box. I, got an email and I'm like, oh, that looks really neat. So I requested it. I actually requested, I think the same day or the next day. And when I got my box, they said, oh, we're out of those, or we're not doing those anymore, or whatever it is. So instead they put in items that they thought would be similar to their vacay box. I really wanted that vacay box. I really liked the items that were in it. But my stylist did an amazing job on this box. Do you guys agree? I think that she did amazing. Few fit issues. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if other YouTubers aren't showing it or they're not having the fit issues. I don't get it. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. You guys, I don't even know what to say. But if you haven't tried Trendsend, you get your first styling fee for $1. You will get 20% off anything you purchase from that box. And if you keep 4 more items, you will get an additional 10% off. I am changing clothes, running out of here, getting my grandsons. Emmerich has an appointment, so I'm going to take him to his mom, and I'm going to go with her. And so I got to get out of here. So I'm anxious to hear your feedback. I'm going to watch the video and make some decisions because there are some nice items in this box. I'm really happy with this box. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm trying to think, where am I? I'm in the car getting ready to go. That's where I am. Wherever you are, from my home to yours. Thanks for watching, everyone.